Welcome to another Cooley Corp production. Subscribe to the channel. Think you know everything about Home Depot? Let's dive into some little-known facts about this home improvement giant. Fact number 1. After being fired from their previous jobs, two visionaries, Bernie Marcus and Arthur Blank, founded Home Depot. Their goal was to create a superstore for DIY enthusiasts, and boy, did they succeed. Fact number 2. Home Depot is one of the largest garden retailers in the world. They sell more plants and gardening supplies than any other retailer in the United States. Fact number 3. Home Depot's orange aprons are iconic. But did you know each apron is personalized? Employees often decorate them with pins, patches, and even their own artwork, making each one unique. Fact number 4. Home Depot's parking lots are designed with contractors in mind. The spaces are wider and the layout is made to accommodate large trucks and trailers easily. Fact number 5. The average Home Depot store is a whopping 105,000 square feet. That's over 2 football fields worth of tools, supplies, and materials. So next time you're shopping for your next big project, remember these facts and appreciate the thought that goes into making Home Depot your go-to store. Subscribe now to stay up to date on new Cooley Corp videos. Happy building, everyone.